Alright, thanks for patiently waiting, guys. I'm doing Grail Punt number 332, which is Preacher number 1, Halo 9.0, signed by Garth. Let's go down here, check the time. So 6:30, and WA time is approximately 6:30 on the 5th of August 2020. I don't know why that time's off. I might have to get that fixed. Let's have a look at the numbers. We've got spot number 1 is Donald White, down to spot 100, which is Ross. I've put those in the list already. So number 1 is Donald, down to 100 is Ross there. Let's roll the dice 3 times. Any time now. So we've got 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 5 is 15. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's double check that. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 5 is 15. So it's 14. And we're up to 15. Good luck, everyone. A winner message me when they've seen this. I don't know if anyone caught that, but let's have a look. So let's have a look. Number 1 is Dak. He's got the winner. He had quite a few bites, so congratulations, mate. 15 times. We've got 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 5. Let's look at times now. Timestamp there is 6:32 and approximately 6:32 WA time. Thanks, everyone.